Sapphire?
Sapphire.
Although at times he can be rather pedantic.
He can be pedantic. He can be pedantic.
And Bob Herbert's great. He used to work at the Daily News.
Yes. Yes. You know what's interesting? The quarterback for the Atlanta Falcons is Bobby Hebert. No R, which I find fascinating. You know, it's Herbert, Herbert, Hebert, Hebert. Hebert. It's a fun name to pronounce. Try and say it. Hebert. Go ahead, take a shot. Hebert. All right, now. Thank you. I got it.
Oh, no. I'd like to pay for mine.
Oh, now, Julie, don't insult me. You know, what difference does it make who pays for lunch? It's totally meaningless.
Okay, fine, whatever. Yes, I'll tell her. Okay.
Goodbye.
Stationery store guy called to say he ordered your pencil.
I told you, he has ideas.
He doesn't even care if a man answers.
Or you.
But...
In ogni caso